Hello, good morning. My name is Lovelyn and I came from the United Kingdom. So I came in on Tuesday this week with my husband to have a gastric sleeve. I actually decided to come and do this some months ago and it's been playing up in my mind. I was inspired because my friends have had it, my sister-in-laws had it, because I needed to be convinced that this is actually going to work. So I needed to see one or two people that have actually gone through the process and how they've healed, because I've heard so many stories. So what made me come here? Turkey has been on my mind, and the fact that my sister-in-law came here was successful. I chose this hospital, Equal Hospitals. I'm telling you, it was unbelievable. At first, I didn't know what to expect. I wasn't sure how the treatment is going to go through, but I'm glad that I chose this place. Firstly, we arrived from the UK on Tuesday. We had an amazing representative called Sada. So she arranged all the flights and everything. And we got here on Tuesday, got picked up from the airport on time. We had our luggages taken out of the car. So it was like a VIP treatment as what they actually told us. So we arrived at the hotel or the hospital and then checked us in, took our passports to make sure that I was the right patient, and then my husband was the right companion. Then straight away, I thought we were going to have a shower, but hell no, we're here for business. So straight in, we had blood tests. We've gone through a series of tests. So I had CT scan, I had X-ray, I had ultrasound, I had to see a cardiologist, I had to do lung function test, because these are all the tests that they do to make sure that you're fit for surgery. And then the big day came where the surgeon came and saw me in the morning. That's where I knew that it was actually happening. But the surgeon, Dr. Omar Yodas, was quite reassuring. He came with his team to talk to me about the surgery, even though some of the nurses had already talked to me about the surgery, just to, tell me what it is about, what to expect, what not to expect. Then before the surgery, I had to sign all the paperwork, the consent form, the aftercare, and you name it. So the care has just been amazing. So I had my surgery on Wednesday afternoon. I was in intensive care for a couple of hours because I was unwell, but the surgeon explained that it happens to some patients, but not everyone is the same. I was looked after well at the intensive care, so I was told, because I was on and off. And then I came back to my room. From the moment I got back to my room, the nurses were looking after me back to back. Every 30 minutes, I was having pain relief, I was having anti-sickness. So the care has just been amazing. They were making sure I was comfortable, checking on me, and just making sure everything was going smoothly. And this is me 3 days after my surgery. I feel amazing already. Funny enough, I don't feel hungry. I'm quite surprised, but guys, I'm telling you, it's happening. I don't feel hungry. So yesterday, my surgeon came and saw me, and then before he came, I had seen the dietitian who actually took my weight and just did my measurements and gave me a whole plan. So I've got a 6 months plan to follow, which is is rigorous, but it's doable. So I've already started on it. So I've got like some protein shakes, which I have to take for 10 days. And then after that, I'm going to go on puree food for another 10 days. And then further on, I can start eating solid food, but in bits. So this morning, this is my first meal. So it's one of the protein shakes, which I should be having 1 sachet a day. And I got given a nice pack, a nice bottle, as you can see. And I'm telling you, the care here has been amazing. One thing I'll say is that Equal Hospital doesn't only do gastric sleeve. If you've got skin problems, hair problems, eye problems, any other condition you can think of, they've got specialists in all of those areas. You just need to find the right representative. You choose the right time for you, and then speak to someone, and you will find yourself here. I was so happy with the care I received here, and it has just been amazing. So I want to thank all the staff, from the representatives, from the drivers, the cleaners, the cooks that provided food for my husband. And I just want to thank everybody for the amazing time we've had here. So I want to say, if you're thinking of coming to have any sort of surgery, Equal Hospitals is the place to come to. Thank you. Bye.